I don't like how you people are responding. When I say Makashapande, you say Klombo. Makashapande, Klombo. Makashapande, Klombo. Yes. Have you ever wondered how the Savannah region, although made up of different ethnic groups, have been able to live peacefully and in unity till date?
No.
Well, I will tell you. So, Ndera Jakpa, the founder of Gonja land, after all his conquests and winning his battles, shared his land amongst his 7 sons. But this division did not go well with his sons. So they fought and quarreled and argued every time. That was when he sat his 7 sons down and told them this story. A story that has been said from generation to generation and was narrated to me by my father, KK in Toba. Yes, of a village called Busunu in the Savannah region. The natives were farmers who planted grains. One day, this village experienced a prolonged drought, a drought that caused famine. Everything was dying. Plants, animals, birds, river bodies had even dried up. Yes. Then one day, 3 birds came together. Their names were Jakata, P, and Minjobi. I said their names were what?
Jakata,
P, and Minjobi. Yes. They came together to form an orchestral group to see how they could survive. So anytime they entered this community and landed on the roof, you would hear, Jakata P, Minjobi. Oh, why are you quiet? Join me. Jakata P, Minjobi. Jakata P, Minjobi. Jakata P, Minjobi. Yes. The natives enjoyed their melodious songs. So that's how they will come out and sprinkle their grains for these birds. And that was how this bird ate to their fill for 3 whole months.
Wow.
Yes, until the devil set in and planted the seed of discord and brought pride and self-conceitedness into their minds. Each bird now thinking he was better off than the other. So they went their separate ways. Yes. So anytime Jakata now landed on the roof, you would hear Jakata, Jakata, Jakata. When P also landed, you would hear P, P, P. Well, you don't need to be told how Minjobi also sounded. Minjobi, Minjobi, Minjobi. But every time they were driven away because they didn't like their voices. And lo, yes, that set in hunger. Yes. Then they came back to their senses that they were better off being together as a group. So they finally came back together as a group. After saying this story to his sons, they never fought or quarreled again. So that was how, even though the Savannah regional rep for this year's GMB is a Gonja by tribe, she's fully supported by the Vagles, the Tamprumes, the Mos, the Hangers. In fact, a lot of ethnic groups who all exist in the Savannah region. Yes, because we believe that in unity lies strength, and together we are incomparably stronger. Yes, so that is the secret we, the people of Savannah region, have. My people, help me as I finish my story with the song again. Jakata P, Minjobi, Jakata P, Minjobi, Jakata P, Minjobi. Thank you, Asan Christian.